Welcome to our user guide on how to log out of Google Drive on a mobile device. Google Drive is an incredibly useful tool for storing and sharing files, but you may have reasons to want to log out of your account from the mobile app. These reasons could range from privacy and security concerns to simply wanting to end the session on a device you no longer use regularly. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps of logging out of Google Drive on a mobile device, making it easier for you to manage your account and data. First, open the Google Drive application, where you can see that I'm logged into my account. Tap on the profile in the top right corner. Then tap on Manage Accounts on this device at the bottom. This will provide you with several options. One of them is to tap Remove from Device for all accounts, or you can disable them if you don't want Google Drive to have access to them. If you want to log out completely, simply tap Remove from this device for all the accounts you're logged into. I hope this has helped. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.